Hello everyone. Welcome back to your English learning class. Today, we are going to learn daily use English sentences. The sentences that you can use every day in your real life. Whether you are at home, school, office, or talking with friends. These sentences will help you speak English confidently and naturally. So get ready with your notebook and let's begin.
Let's start with some simple sentences you can use in your daily routine. I wake up early in the morning. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get ready for school. I have breakfast with my family. I go to work by bus. I come back home in the evening. I watch TV and relax. I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Now, let's learn some sentences we use at home. Please turn on the fan. Don't make noise. It's time for lunch. The food is delicious. Clean your room. Let's watch a movie together. Close the door, please. Can you pass me the salt? I am feeling sleepy. Good night, everyone.
If you are a student, these sentences will help you a lot. May I come in, sir? Sorry, I am late. Please repeat that. Can I borrow your pen? What's today's homework? I didn't understand this part. Let's go to the library. When is the exam? The teacher is very kind.
Now, let's move to some professional sentences used at work. Good morning, everyone. How was your weekend? I have a meeting at 10 o'clock. Please send me the report. I'll get back to you soon. Can we discuss this later? That sounds like a good idea. Let's take a short break. I appreciate your help.
When you go shopping, these sentences are very useful. How much is this? It's too expensive. Can you give me a discount? I'll take this one. Do you have it in a smaller size? Can I pay by card? Please pack it nicely. Thank you. Have a nice day. Let's learn some sentences for phone conversations. Hello, who is speaking? Please hold on. I'll call you back. The line is not clear. Sorry, I missed your call. Can you speak a little louder? Talk to you later. Bye. When you visit a restaurant, use these polite sentences. A table for two, please. Can I see the menu? I'd like a cup of coffee. The food tastes great. Could I have the bill, please? Keep the change. Thank you. When you are traveling or asking for directions. Excuse me, where is the bus stop? How far is the station? Turn left after the signal. I am looking for a hotel nearby. Thank you for your help.
Thank you so much for learning with me today. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss the next English class.